Welcome to NIC, your Enforce Data and Policy Services partner. In this video, you'll learn how to instantly identify clients with term policies nearing expiration. With NIC, you can help them convert to permanent coverage before premiums rise or health issues appear, often without new underwriting. To access term conversion opportunities, navigate to the Insights button on the left-hand navigation. Next, click on the Opportunities tab at the top of the screen. From here, scroll all the way to the bottom to view conversion opportunities. These opportunities are based on the conversion criteria that the carrier directly shares with NIC. Make sure to click on the I button for a given carrier to view the conversion criteria. You can also click on the blue numbers to the right to be taken right to the list of policies that meet one of those conversion criteria for that particular product. NIC's conversion opportunities help you identify clients ready to convert to permanent coverage, making it easier to act proactively and protect their policies. Thanks for being a NIC subscriber. Be sure to watch our additional videos to learn about how NIC can have a positive impact on your business.